Let me quickly show you how to block and unblock people on Instagram. So if you want to block people or you want to unblock people on Instagram, this is what you need to do. Go to your Instagram app like this. So right here on your Instagram app, click on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. It is actually on the center part of your screen. So right here is your chat section. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on the chat of the person that you want to block. So let's say you want to block this person like this. You can go to their chat like this, or you can search for them on Instagram and go ahead and open the message section like this. Then go ahead and click on their profile and click on this place here where you can see options. That is the three dot icon right here. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see block. If you click on block like this, you'd be able to see this option of block. So you can go ahead and click on block and you'd be able to block this person. So you can actually unblock this person by going back to the page like this, to the chat section like this, and click on unblock, and you'd be able to unblock this person as well. So in order for you to see the list of people that you've blocked on Instagram, you can click on your profile like this and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll gently like this. So looking right here, you can see the option of block. That is actually below who can see your content. So if you click on blocked like this, you'd be able to see the people that you've blocked. You can actually unblock them by clicking on them like this, by clicking on unblock like this and unblock them. So this is how simple it is to block and unblock people on Instagram. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on AppFix and In Channel. See you in the next one.